Hi, thanks for watching my video. Here is Amir. Today I'm going to tell you about a few proven snoring remedies in a great step-by-step guide I found that will quickly and easily cure your snoring problem permanently and naturally. Let's join me and together we'll read a few lines about this ebook.
Okay, let's read a few lines about this ebook. We will not read everything, just a few lines about what you are going to get inside this ebook. Okay, here's just some of the secrets and benefits you receive inside. 5 common foods that can cause snoring and ones that help eliminate it. Another one, restore your relationships. Say goodbye to sleepless nights, where you are constantly woken up by your partner in the middle of the night. Wake up feeling energized, healthy, and ready to take on the day. Another very important point. Greatly reduce the risk of falling asleep while driving. I hope you never experience this problem, but it can be very, very dangerous. Okay, I think the last point we are going to read is this one. Why many stop snoring solutions only mask your problem and how to find a permanent solution. Again, this ebook provides you with a permanent solution, not a one-time solution. It's very important. Okay, there is much more to read, but I'll give you the address later and you can read everything yourself. Let's continue.
Okay, this ebook comes with a guarantee. It means that if for some reason it does not work for you, you can ask for a full refund and you'll get it instantly, no questions asked. But if it does work for you, as I expect, then for less than $20 you can solve a very serious problem you have. What does it mean for you? You'll have better sleep at night, better life. You'll feel healthier, fresh. You solve your problem with your partner because you don't snore at night. For less than $20. And again, if you don't like it, you don't pay. So you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So why don't you try it? Let's try it. Following this video, you'll find in front of you the address of the website where you can get more information about this great ebook and the link to place your order. Feel free to go there. Thanks again for watching my video, and until the next time, take care. Bye bye. Here is Amir.